Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Plus. This vehicle comes into stock with only delivery miles on the vehicle, allowing you to beat the long wait times. The vehicle comes with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 122 PS and comes with a DSG 7-speed automatic gearbox. This Caddy is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium grey and comes with 16-inch steel wheels with some handsome wheel trims. The Caddy also features exterior wing mirror caps finished in high gloss black, and join me to the rear of the vehicle. We'll take a look at the load area. The load area comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points. This Caddy is a little bit special as it features the twin sliding doors. A look from one of the sliding doors. The vehicle also comes with a bulkhead, and up front in the cab there is some comfortable upholstery finished in titanium black. The driver also has access to the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.